Hello, guys. It's Kate again with the Earn Network platform, your favorite and the leading DeFi marketplace to earn yield on your favorite tokens and NFTs. Remember, we are backed by Shima Capital, DFG, MarsDAO, Marana, Bixen, J Square, and we have also launched staking pools for prominent projects such as Dipius and Magicraft for their communities. At the moment, we have over 6,000 active stakers, and altogether, you guys have earned over 900,000 in rewards so far. Thanks to all of you wonderful earners, our platform has reached over 4.2 million in staked value. We are supporting over 80 assets at the moment, and that number will keep growing. Today, I want to show you how to stake Dogecoin. Let's head on over to the Doge staking pool. Scroll down, click view all, and let's find it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, as I am. All right, we are in the Doge staking pool. The first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet. Click MetaMask on our nice little orange fox. All right. Okay, guys, we are in. Up top here in the performance section, you can see your available balance. I have 2.71 Dogecoins. If you scroll down, we have all of our rewards that we are able to earn. You can expand them by using these little tabs over here. Everything is nicely displayed for you. You can read all about it, reward eligibility requirements, lockup period, everything you need. The start date, available until, staking type, everything is here. If we scroll back up, we can decide how many days we want to lock up our tokens for. You can either click these buttons or you can use this little gumdrop and choose yourself. We will stake only 2 Dogecoins today, which is fine. Let's do 90 days for example. Oops. Hi, there we go. Okay. Of course, the longer the lockup period, the more rewards you can claim at the end. If you guys are unsure about something, hover over these little question marks and you have explanations to literally everything on the page. How neat is that? Okay, scroll down. I put 2 Dogecoins with the help of these 2 little arrows and click stake. Now we will confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. Remember, you are the only one who can make these transactions, and once approved, your tokens will be safely earning on the smart contract. Right, and that's it, guys. Now, in the performance section, you see the staked amount has changed from 0 to 2 Dogecoins. Our available balance also has changed to only 0.71 as we stake 2. If you scroll back down, the reward statuses also have already changed and we are already earning on our tokens. So yay! Now back on our main page, please explore your opportunities to stake other top crypto gems. We have DeFi staking, we have NFT staking, restaking. We also have, scroll down, prediction markets. You guys can check out all of our neat stuff. Remember, each asset offers single asset staking, not available elsewhere. So don't hesitate, guys, and join us. If you were to have any more questions, comments, or concerns, remember you can always click this little green button. Our customer service is there to help you. waiting eagerly for your questions, chats, anything you guys would like to share with us. For more information on unstaking or claiming your tokens, head on over to our white paper down below or in the link in the description to this video. If you guys would like any more tutorials, let us know in the comments, of course, and we will be happy to do them for you. Have a great day and join us in the next video. See you later, guys.